just wanted to say real quickly before our Jade Mountain videos that we are in no way associated with Jade Mountain. They do not sponsor us. We do not receive a room discount. We saved and used our own money to get here. And this is a totally unsponsored and real trip report from Kari and The Captain. I hope you enjoy and check out our other videos about Jade Mountain. I'll put all the links down below. So, are you ready to see Jade Mountain? We're in JC1. Our own personal infinity pool looking into the Caribbean Ocean. It's all open air, there's no fourth wall. This is a volcanic island. So it's very mountainous. This is all included with your all-inclusive package. It is our anniversary, so Leanne got me some flowers. We have some Moet and Chandon Imperial Heights. Now, check out this bed. So romantic. I love the curtains. This is the little deck we have. This is all the walkways to the rooms. Your toilet. These beautiful stone columns. Your shower. And yes, it is all open air. Here are your double vanity sinks. And then go up here and you have a bathtub. So you can sit in this bathtub and have this view. Jade Mountain, the Galaxy Sanctuary. sunset at Jade Mountain in our infinity pool. So that was our Jade Mountain room tour for casual observers. If you're really going to Jade Mountain and you want to deep dive into what's included in the room, in your sanctuary, continue watching and I'm going to cover all of that for you. So let's go over these amenities. You have a large bottle of Voyak smoothing conditioner, lime and mandarin, nourishing shampoo, lime and mandarin. Then you have invigorating body and hand wash, and then the lotion. So this is good to know if you're like me and you packed all this stuff. I'm gonna smell it and tell you what it smells like. It could go for man or woman. It's almost a peppery scent to it, like you at the Ayurveda places. This is a rub-a-dub-dub seaweed soap and peppermint. So this says lime and mandarin, but it definitely has a peppery, maybe a lightly lime smell. Here are some other amenities. You have this like wine refrigerator and champagne refrigerator. They said these are not included in the all-inclusive, but you get a discount. But thankfully I cannot tolerate wine or champagne due to the sulfate, so it's not a problem for me. They did give us in our room a full bottle of Malibu rum and Bounty rum because that's what we requested. You can request other things, and also you can have any drink you want at any of the hotel properties. They will make you all the mixed drinks and everything like that. So in here you have some Green Mountain Gold coffee, Cafe Gourmet Premium, in this pretty Jade Mountain box. You have plenty of teas, these little tea sachets. That's very pretty, and there's all the things that are in there if you're interested. You can slow it down and read it if you're really into tea. So we have a regular coffee pot. I'm not sure, I think that's just some other coffee thing. And then we have an espresso like Keurig type thing, but it's not Keurig, it's an espresso machine, and it has these little tabs you put in there. There's regular, decaffeinated, these little tiny spoons, and little tiny cups and tea set. So thanks for watching. That's your deep dive into the Jade Mountain in St. Lucia Gallery Sanctuary room tour. If you want to know more about Jade Mountain, be sure and check out our other videos. We do have a video about the coastal walk to Ants Mamin and the Jungle Bar, the beachside dinner, the jazzy sunset cruise. We have a video covering and reviewing all the food and drinks we had. And if you really enjoy hanging out with us, you can watch our entire memory video that we made about our Jade Mountain trip that covers everything we did. Also, be sure and like and subscribe, because we're going to cover lots of room tours and vacation and travel for you. Lots of Airbnb room tours and things like that. So you're really going to enjoy it and have fun. So be sure and like and subscribe. Thank you.